Hello viewers, hope you are all fine and doing good in your life. Today I will discuss with you on the topic how to make money from Opencart. I already searched for several websites, but I will share with you the best one which I think is the best for my viewers and for their knowledge. Here we just scroll for a few seconds. Here is the website. Opencart refer and earn. Allow admin to set up a referral system in Opencart store. User receives reward points for every new user added by referral. Admin can customize reward points for referral users, encourage users to invite people to sign up and earn reward points in exchange. Opencart Refer and Earn. The Opencart Refer and Earn module provides the store owner a facility to add the referral system to their stores. The users of the website can send the referral link to other users to join the store website or to sign up and earn the reward points. The reward points will only be won by the user if the new user joins or sign up the website using the referral link. The store owners can set the reward points for the referral users. Use case. The plugin is convenient for the stores or websites where the store owner wants to add more users to register on their website. The store owners get more users in exchange for reward points. The existing users get the reward points by forwarding the referral link whenever the other users register themselves to the website using that referral link. This is the best way to increase the number of users on your website, hence, it is beneficial for the store owners as well as the users of the website. Big thanks to Webcool and his team for helping get OpenCart 3.0.3.7 released Friday. Features. The admin can display information about the referral on the front end. The title of the referral panel displayed can be set. Rewards points can be customized for new users sign up and the referrals. Small description of the referral offer can be shown. Customized label for the register link can be set. The admin can stop or start the referral program from the backend. Social login using Facebook, Twitter, Google, and LinkedIn can be confirmed. The module supports multiple language translations. Workflow. After the successful installation of the module, a few module settings are required to do the referral panel title, reward points, description, text for the link, enable the status of the module, referral status, referral reward points, reference validity, and then the social login setup will be done. Here the procedure that how you can fill your information. The customer can generate the referral link by clicking on Refer and Earn button and sharing this link with other users. The user will get the reward points if the product will be purchased through the shared link. The new users can use their existing social login to log in into the store. I hope this information will help you and guide you that how to make money from Opencart. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share and like the video. See you in next video. Goodbye.